Well, good morning. Today we are going to open and test out a gravity-fed sandblaster that I bought from my favorite tool store, Harbor Freight. So if you want to see how it works, stick around. All right, so this is what I purchased from my friends at Harbor Freight, a blast gun with gravity feed. It's got a 20-ounce hopper, and I think the unboxing is going to go very, very quickly because I think it's the gun, and hopefully it's got some spare parts in here like the tip and all that, but we'll see. Dun, dun, dun. Voila! And I don't know if it's just me or they really don't come with spare parts, but all I got was the gun and some instructions. So let's look further at it. All right, so as you can see, the cap doesn't twist off, it just pulls off. And it looks like, I don't know, I'll have to take that. And I need to add a fitting for the air, but and then it has a switch on the side. I assume that's to turn off and on the flow of media into the airstream, but I'll read the instructions too. But that's what I got. Got this, and we'll see how it works. Hopefully it works good. I want to try it out on a couple things that I would like to do today, which is like see how it shows up or shows spot weld. So anyways, let me see if this is replaceable, because these cones are typically expendables, but this one, I don't know, it does not look like it comes apart. So maybe it's a one-shot deal and then you got to replace the whole thing. I know on some of the other things they have like a ceramic tip so that when it abrades, then you replace the tip. But anyway, let's see how this works out. Well, check out my newest toy from Harbor Freight. I'm gonna put it together and try it out and see how good it works or not works. So I'll put a little bit more in here after this showing how it works. And then if you're interested still, you can check for the full video. So I'll continue on. All right, while you're gone, put the air fitting on, put some sand in it. So now I guess I'm gonna try and see if I can get it to work a little bit. So I'll try and get a good view over my shoulder or something of what I'm trying to get done with it, and we'll see how it works. Pew pew. All right, so I used one whole 20-ounce hopper, and that's all I got. So I think it's fine for real small areas you want to do. This had some pretty thick scale on it, so right here where I hit it, it seems to be okay. It's definitely not for larger areas. I just wanted to see how it would work, and it worked. I just used some playground sand in it, and you know, it got everywhere, which I expected, but I just wanted to see how it works. So hopefully this will help you decide whether you want to get one or not. I'm sort of still undecided. I was hoping for, it would do a little bit better, but I don't know if it's its fault or my compressor's fault, but I did dial the regulator back to 90 PSI as required, and it really didn't, it could stay up with it. It just, I ran out of sand so fast. So that's what I think. One of the other bad things with that little pressure blaster, sandblaster, hopper, I got sand all the way up to the front of the car. So, you know, take that for what it's worth. I only did a little bit. I ran one hopper through the back, and here we are with it all the way up here. So just keep that in your informed decision making. All right. Well, I hope this helps you out so you can decide whether or not you want a little blaster or not. They're relatively inexpensive. I think it was 14 or 19 bucks. And it would do something if it was just a small area you were trying to do. So, as always, I really appreciate all the support I get. Please give it a like if this helps you out any. Please subscribe because I have a lot of these different videos. And just want to say again, thank you very much and have a great day.